them and the banana and so on. So want like big food to go in your soup, and I put up the plate in one Honey Bell kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. So my auntie did a good job. Pepper is good, the flavor is good. Morning. I'm just doing a quick breakfast, quick lunch. I would say quick lunch today. It's curry breast, chicken breast, and I'm just cutting up right now. But if you look over here, these are the seasoning that I'm going to use. I have bell pepper, hot pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, piece of ginger. Also, I have pimento green, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and curry powder. I'm going to put also some garlic, real garlic. So I'll show you as we go on what's going on in my kitchen. One Honey Bell. Yes.
Oops, it's filming.
So what I'm doing, I'm washing the chicken breast with lemon and vinegar. As usual, you have to wash your meat with vinegar and lemon. I squeezed the lemon already, and now I have the vinegar. So you wash, and then you throw this water off and wash again. Okay? That's it. So I put all my season in, and I'm putting on my gloves today because it's curry, and I don't, I'm going out later. So you rub up everything like this and make sure the curry is on all of the meat. You rub and you rub and you rub. Then you're going to put it in your pot, put a little bit of oil or, a little bit, because this is a skinless meat, so I need a little oil. Maybe about 4 tablespoons. And you steam it down and cook it. I'm going to add some carrot to this one, some Irish potato. So I'll show you later what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. Welcome back to One Honey Bell. So this is what we got. We got some yam from our backyard, and my husband is cutting it, and we're going to cook some today, and I'm going to show you what's going on. Sometimes you can plant your own food. You don't have to wait to do so, or wait and go to the store and buy all the time. That is how we do it. And this part of it is where you can cook, the bottom part. And then you can, the head, they call this the head, this part, you can put it back in the ground, and then you can bear yam again for next time. So when I cook this yam, I show you what's going on in One Honey Bell kitchen. So this is how the curry chicken breast is going on. I put on some white potatoes, Irish. This will make the gravy. You don't have to put anything for thickening. Also, I put some carrots. And as we go on, I'll show you what's going on with my chicken breast in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yes! Mwah! So this is how I'm cooking the yam. It's ready. Some of them like this is ready. It's soft. If you look how soft it is, I can just it's ready. I can just cut a little piece, let you see how ready it is. This is the yam that we picked from the backyard. Let's cook. So as I say, sometimes you don't have to buy, I'll show you what's going on. Yes. Bye. Curry chicken is ready in One Honey Bell kitchen. Yes. So look, the chicken is finished, as I said, and I just want to show you what's going on. It's like a one-pot meal. If you look, you can see like the Irish white potato, and you have carrots. So if you're on diet, you can have like a salad with this. If you're on a diet, weight loss, but also you can also give your children the potato to eat, and you eat the breast with a salad or some fresh vegetable, steamed vegetable. So subscribe and like to our videos, and follow us on Instagram. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Mwah. Nice plate of salad with curry chicken breast and some white nice yam. Follow us on Instagram, yeah!